Good day everyone, I hope you are doing good. In this video I am going to show you how you can transfer your WhatsApp chats from old phone to new phone without backup and without Gmail ID. If you want to transfer all of your chats, photos and videos from old phone to new phone, you can easily do that and none of your chats, photos and videos will be deleted. So if you want to know how to do it, make sure you watch this whole video and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. To transfer your WhatsApp chats from old phone to new phone, the very first thing you have to do is you have to open WhatsApp in your old phone, then go to right top corner and click on these three dots, then click on settings, then click on chats and this interface will open. On this page, just scroll down and at the bottom of this page, you will be getting this setting called transfer chats. Click on it, then click on start and wait for a few seconds. A scanner will open in your old phone. Now come to new phone and first of all you have to install WhatsApp in your new phone and then you have to open your WhatsApp and select your language, then click on this arrow key, then click on agree and continue and this interface will open. Here you have to select your country, India, and in this box you have to type your old WhatsApp number. So let me type my old WhatsApp number in this box. And once you have typed your old WhatsApp number in this box, now you have to click on next and then click on yes and you will receive one OTP on your old phone. You have to enter that OTP here and then you have to verify. I have received OTP. Let me enter that OTP here 131893. And once verification is complete, you will see this kind of interface, transfer chat history from old phone. Now you have to click on continue, again click on continue and allow this permission and this QR code will open. Now you have to scan this QR code from your old phone like this. And once you have scanned this QR code, wait for a few seconds and it will start transferring your WhatsApp chats from old phone to new phone as you can see here. And don't press any button during this process. Once transfer is complete, simply you have to click on next and then again click on next. If you want to create passkey, then you can click on continue, otherwise click on skip. If you want to add your Gmail ID, you can add, otherwise click on skip and wait for a few seconds. All your WhatsApp chats will be transferred to your new phone. As you can see here, all my WhatsApp chats has been transferred to my new phone. And on old phone, if you click on done, your WhatsApp will be logged out automatically and you will see this interface, you have been logged out. So in this manner, you can transfer all your chats, photos and videos from old phone to new phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.